Okay, so welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can search keyword with the help of tool. Okay, so in order to use tool, you simply open your browser and search planner. Keyword planner. Okay, just click on the first shown result. If you don't have any account on ads.google.com, then simply click on sign in and you can create an account, but I am have already one, so I am starting now. Okay, the tool is loaded successfully. Simply click on tools and search here keyword planner. We only have to concern with the keyword planner. Okay, so there are two options available: discover new keywords and get search volumes and forecast. So we are focusing on get discover new keywords. Click on it, and it is asking for location. I have already selected my location Pakistan, but if you want to target any other different country like India, you can also select more than one country. Okay, so click on save. Okay, the location is selected successfully, and now let's search our keyword relevant keyword which are most frequently searched in these two regions. Let's say top 20 tallest buildings. Okay, click on get result. I think it is not showing the relevant keywords. Okay, but don't worry, it is also suggesting us the uh, top 5 tallest building, top 3 tallest buildings here. Okay, so let's try with another keyword. Okay, you can search with two keywords and with one keywords as well. Okay, so let's search how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, click on get result. Now it is showing us the 3708 keywords available. Okay, with their average monthly searches, uh, 3 month changes, and with competitions. Okay, so you can explore and find most relevant keywords according to your niche and your content. You can also filter it here by using these options. Okay, it is also suggesting us relevant keywords which are very helpful in our video optimization. Okay, so in order to download this in Excel sheet, simply click on this download icon, and you will be able to download in CSV format or Google Sheet. I will download it in CSV format. Okay, the keywords are downloaded successfully. Now let's open it and check. Okay, so you can arrange it like this. Okay, so you have to pick the most relevant and the most defining keywords according to your niche from here and use them into your video optimization and also into your YouTube settings. Thank you.